Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of November. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Guys, so as always, before I get into my boxes, I like to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I do everything from makeup subscription unboxings, I do makeup hauls, I do makeup mystery boxes, and I also do, lately I've been throwing in some crystal subscription boxes in my channel too, because I do love crystals as well, and you guys have told me, I asked if that's something you would want to see in my channel, and you guys gave me wonderful feedback. So I do share some of those with you guys as well. So I got my Boxycharm Base Box, and it's kind of early. Normally they send this, like, I've been getting my Boxycharm boxes like the last week of the month. So this is kind of early for Boxycharm, so maybe they're getting back to their usual routine. So we're gonna see what I got in here. But if you guys like beauty content related stuff, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And let's get into this box. Alright guys, I just feel like I do all these unboxings, but I always still have so much. Like, I have all of this stuff that I have to film. I have so much stuff to film for you guys, which is why, like, sometimes, like, I literally will just film like 3 or 4 videos literally in a day, but then that makes me tired. So it's like, I think I'm gonna start doing just like 2. I used to do like 3 or 4 sometimes, and that like exhausts me, because then afterwards then I would edit. I film and then like I edit and then set them to upload. But it's just a lot to do, so I'm gonna cut back to like at least filming 2 a day. And at first I'm like, I'm gonna film 2, change my outfit. But I'm like, ain't nobody got time for that. I don't got time to go run, change my outfit. Like, no, you guys love me no matter what, even regardless if I film 2 videos back to back. I mean, I don't put them both on at the same time. I'll put them on a different day. But you guys always give me great feedback. You guys say like, my health is what comes first. You guys don't want me to be burnt out, and you guys don't mind me filming 2 videos in a day. So thank you guys once again for being amazing subscribers and always wanting your girl to be energized. And that's why I think 2 is enough. By the 3rd video, I'm kind of like, you know, so you got me in the 2nd one, so I'm still energized. Alrighty, so super excited. Let's see what I got in this box. This is the base box. It retails for $25. You do get to pick an item in this box. Now, I did cancel my premium for many reasons. The main reason is the prices went up, and I wasn't exactly happy with the things that I was getting in Boxycharm. It was like we've been getting like a lot of skincare. It's been very skincare heavy. And I don't know, the boxes haven't really been exciting me. The base box didn't go up, so I kept it. But I still haven't really been that excited about my Boxycharm base boxes. If you want me to be like honest with you, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys anyway, but that's just me being honest. I really haven't been that excited about like Boxycharm boxes. Used to be my absolute favorite makeup subscription boxes, and they're kind of falling off a little bit. So I'm hoping, you know, they're gonna get back into the swing of things. I don't know. I know Ipsy owns them now, so I don't know if things are changing because of that. But the weird thing is, like, I love Ipsy now, and not because I had PR, but like, you guys see the stuff that I've been getting. I don't know about anybody else, but I can only speak for myself. The stuff that I've been getting has been amazing. I literally just filmed my Ipsy stuff that I just received, and I got so much like amazing stuff that I actually want to try. So we'll see. Let's see. I don't watch any spoilers, so I never know what I'm gonna get in my boxes. because I want to actually be surprised. So let's be surprised together. So this is what the box looks like when I open it up. And right off the bat, I do see something that I'm excited about. So I'm very happy right off the bat. All right, Boxycharm, this is what I'm talking about. Unboxing things that I'm actually excited about and wanting to try. So I got a Skin Fix, the pads. Maybe I'll try these tonight. This is what they look like. So I'm very excited to try these out. I did get a card here. It says this retails for $50. Holy macaroni. $50. So this has AHAs, BHAs, and enzymes. This is a one-step face and body. Oh, I didn't know you could use this for your body. Body exfoliating pads that help brighten and smooth skin. Wow, ooh, it has niacinamide too. While niacinamide supports a healthy skin barrier, it's pre-soaked, it's biodegradable pads, helps regulate sebum, minimize the appearance of fine lines and pores, and targets serious concerns such as acne, unevenness, and discoloration. They are also free of a long list of ingredients, including many of the triggers of malassezia, aka fungal acne. Don't know what that is about, but nevertheless, that means it has a lot of good stuff in here. Super excited to try this out. So far, the box is starting off very strong. So that's the card that they gave me. And then of course the back always tells you like what items you got and the prices. So $50 for that, that's amazing. Because your girl only paid $25. So winning! The next thing I got here, I'm super excited about is because I got a Violet Voss palette, and I never heard about Violet Voss or used any Violet Voss products prior to Boxycharm, and I fell in love with their palettes. Are amazing. They're super pigmented. They blend nice. Like, I'm excited for another palette to add to my collection now. So let's see what I'm gonna guess the colors are. Like lavender and pink because it says Violet Sunset. So let's see here. Okay, opening it up. The matte shades don't look that appealing, but I think it'll still be a pretty palette. This is what the palette looks like. I think I could make it work. I don't like too much matte eyeshadows. The only matte shadows I really use is like transition colors, but like these colors I normally don't do like matte on my lids. So when I see too much matte, it doesn't like excite me. I love like glitz and glam and bold, and so the matte shades don't really excite me, but I'm definitely gonna wear the palette. So still excited for the palette. This palette retails for $37 and it says it's a Boxy exclusive. So very happy for my second item. All right, so I don't know what I chose for this box. What did I choose? I never know what I chose. I never remember. It's just because they literally, you have to pick a month in advance, and then with my other boxes. So I couldn't even tell you guys what I chose, but I can tell you right now, looking at this box, your girl's very happy. If you're a subscriber of mine, you know I love brushes. I have buckets, but I can't wait for you guys to see my beauty room. Like, I'm still like trying to like reorganize my beauty room. I told you guys, I finally filmed how I organize the majority of my skincare that I stash in my half a bathroom in my guest bedroom. I did film that, so I'm proud of myself for that. But I still have to show you guys my beauty room. It's just, it's overwhelming, all the stuff that I have, and I'm constantly doing boxes, so I'm constantly getting new stuff and constantly have to reorganizing stuff. So I'm still trying to figure out a system that's gonna work for me. I did buy a beautiful Impressions vanity. If you don't have an Impressions vanity, go out and get yourself one. Their vanities are so beautiful. I'm so in love with my vanity, like, but literally, like, I got, you know, the mirror with the lights around it, and I got the top thing that you could put stuff in, and then the two sides. and they're all filled with makeup, and I still have tons of more. Like, that didn't put a dent in me with my makeup organization. So still trying to figure out. I thought that was going to be helpful to me, but like, I guess I just have too much. So when I get my system of my makeup room / beauty room more together, I will definitely film that. But you'll see I have buckets of brushes, like buckets and bins. But I still keep buying them. I'm an artist at heart. Like, I started off being like an artist. Like, I do makeup on the side. I used to do that as like just my prime living. I love makeup. So these are like tools. I love having good tools and trying new brushes. So to get these brushes, I'm very excited. I love Luxie brushes. So let me open this up. So I love the little case that it comes in. And we have 3 brushes in here. We have a blush brush. We have, it says a medium angle brush. And it says we have a concealer brush. So we got 3 brushes. This is, oh my God. Maybe Boxycharm has changed. Maybe they might have heard, started listening to all the millions of people saying, go back to what you used to be. A true, like, beauty subscription box, not a skincare box. I remember one time in the beginning when they were like first starting off, they had like a all skincare box, which was great because it was for the people who want skincare. But for the people, like the beauty lovers who, you know, they want to try the beauty products, they were ecstatic that it changed. But I guess they're getting back to it because so far this box is beauty related because I got some brushes now. How much are these brushes? These brushes retail for $40 for the 3. And I got the travel pouch, which is nice. So maybe I'll save this for like travel. I won't keep this by my vanity because I love the pouch and everything. I probably would throw this out though, the little slip. But I ended just keep it in the pouch. All right, I got a brush cleanser. More beauty related stuff, not skincare. This is from Bodyography Pro. That's like a long word to say all in a row. Like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, like that word. Yeah, that was like that word. But it's a brush cleanser, which I could always use. I want to have a brush cleanser that I just keep by my vanity, so that way I tend to do like a lot of colors. So like this is good that I can use in transition between colors. It says this retails for $19. It says a quick and easy way to clean and disinfect your artistry brushes made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. This makeup brush cleanser will get the job done while satisfying your senses. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recycling packaging. Very nice. Next thing I got here is from Ace Beauty. This retails for $14.99. Now, I also have never heard about Ace Beauty prior to like Boxycharm, and I have fell in love with Ace Beauty's palettes. I've actually even bought a couple on my own when Boxycharm has their sale. If you're like a beginner and you want good quality eyeshadows that's not expensive, Ace Beauty is going to be your go-to. All the palettes that I've received from Ace Beauty are amazing. I love the color stories of their palette. So I'm excited to try their primer now to go with it because I'm sure it probably works. Normally, I always say like if you have a Too Faced eyeshadow palette, then the Too Faced eyeshadow primer most likely will work best with it. But you can always mix and match, like do whatever you want. But sometimes I feel like when you buy the brand with the brand, sometimes it works very well. So I'll find that out to see if that's true for this. Very nice. So this is, I guess, is this the shade of color? Let me squeeze a little. No, it doesn't really have a, you won't be able really to see. It looks like concealer. It says this is in medium. It says before eyeshadow, well, you guys know how to put primer on. You just put it on your eye and put the shadow on top. But I got the shade medium. So very excited to try this out. And that's it, guys. And I haven't been able to say this in a while, but your girl is very happy with her box. I am so happy with this box, guys. I could cry. Boxycharm, have they changed? Or are they gonna make me feel bad that I canceled my premium box? Because this was great, this was great, this was great, this was great, and this was, I was excited about everything. Now, I know I don't get excited for skincare products, but like, I really did want to try this product out. I've heard so much stuff about the Skin Fix brand, and this is like one of their top selling things from their brand. So your girl is very happy right now. She's very excited. Like, I'm about to use this palette tomorrow. I'm loving, you know, I love brushes. And you guys know I love shadow. Like, I'm always doing something to my eyes. Today I was lazy. I just did a wing liner. That's for my lazy days. And I could always use brush cleanser. So, rating this box, I haven't done this in a while for any subscription box in a while. But I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. It's so, and I haven't done the 10 out of 10 song in a while either. But just because it's been a while,
it gets a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yay! Good job, Boxycharm, for the month of November. Alrighty, guys, so that's it. I don't know what I'm gonna film next. I have to look. Oh, I think I'm gonna do the Ipsy Glam Bag X, because I'm dying to see what's in this bad boy. So stay tuned for that next video. And that's really about it. If you stayed to the end, you know what I'm gonna say. That means you like my content. You stayed to the end. I see you over there trying to end the video without subscribing. Do me a favor. It's greatly appreciated. Subscribe to your girl. Become a part of my YouTube family. You know you want to become a part of my family. Like, I know you do. I know you do. And it's okay. You are welcomed here. Everybody is welcomed on my channel. We are a family. We communicate together. I'm here for you guys. We are friends. Let's share our love and passion for makeup together. And that's really about it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next